Candid, New Trends in Computers. Book 4.
Chapter 5. Formatting in MS Word. Hey, do you like this? This has been done in MS Word. Would you like to know how? In this chapter, we will discuss formatting in MS Word. To create and design effective documents, you need to know how to format text. In addition to making your document more appealing, formatted text can draw the reader's attention to specific parts of the document and help communicate your message. Formatting means to change the appearance of the document to make it more attractive and readable. Formatting includes changing fonts, changing size of fonts, changing color of fonts, highlighting words and sentences, adjusting line spacing, adjusting tab settings, setting margins, paragraph settings, adding bullets and numbers. Changing the font size. Select the text you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various font sizes. A live preview of the font size will appear in the document. Select the font size you wish to use. The grow font and shrink font commands. You can also use the grow font and shrink font commands to change the size. Changing the font, select the text you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the font box on the Home tab. The font drop-down menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various fonts. A live preview of the fonts will appear in the document. Select the font you wish to use. The font will be changed in the document. Changing font.
Stop. Oh no. No, you have violated traffic law. But you can undo your action by choosing right option. Well done. But be careful at all traffic signals. Choose the correct path. Oh no. That was not correct selection. Go back and choose correct option.